Quick fuel filter. There she is. Now, I don't want to make a mess over here because I don't drain my fuel. I know I should do it, but I just don't have the space to do it because I'm in a parking lot. So I'm trying to don't make a mess over here. Here she comes, nice and easy. She's there. Okay. Jeez. And here's the new one. Show you. The new one. This one. There's the old one. There's the new one. You have two little gaskets, one top and one in the bottom. These wicks already come with them. One installed. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of diesel on the new gasket and make sure that it doesn't leak. There it is. Filter in. Let's turn by hand a little bit, and then I'm gonna jerk it with the ratchet a little bit. Okay, it leaks a little bit because the pressure of the fuel over there, the bottom. I wanna prime it. Okay, so the fuel filter is already on. I don't know if I should really tie this thing down like hard, but I just apply a little pressure with the ratchet and make sure it doesn't fall. So we're priming right now. In these 7.3s, what you do is just turn off the switch and turn it back on, and it start to fill over there in the fuel bowl. So I'm gonna do that 2 or 3 times more, then we should be good to fire up. Okay, here we go. First attempt to start it. Start right up. Now I'm gonna stay here to see if there's any leaks. So there she is, how to change a fuel filter in a 7.3 Power Stroke.